Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In this new video we will see how you can fix this new issue in Google AdSense known as earning at risk. Today in this video we will fix this issue completely. So let's get started. So first click on the fix now. Then make sure you open the cPanel of your website and head to the file section of cPanel. Then simply click on file manager. Now go to Google AdSense, click on fix now and make sure that you download the file which Google AdSense will give you. You can see that we have successfully downloaded the file. Now go to cPanel, file manager and locate to public_html. Click on this file. After that, here is the whole file of your website. Now simply upload the Ads.txt file over here. Simply click on the top right corner and click on upload file. So let's upload the file. As you can see that we have successfully uploaded the Ads.txt file in our website. As you can see, let's see if our file is created. Go to the public/_html. Now you can see that we have successfully created the Ads.txt file. After that, the error in your Google AdSense will be solved within 24 hours, or it will take some time, but it will be definitely solved. So if you liked this video or if you enjoyed this video so far, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down and make sure you subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.